his pursuit of an extreme ideology became a reality.
The war which was waged by the Germans against USSR was a deadly war.
With a brutal campaign to colonize the East.
The total Soviet losses in the fighting around Rezhov have come to 1.3 million. That is catastrophic.
By any means possible.
The Holocaust does not start in Auschwitz, but on the killing fields of the occupied Soviet Union.
Examining one of the most chilling master plans in military history.
They had to adapt to each new phase of the war, and it was pretty difficult.
A new original series, Adolf Hitler's War. Catch up now on UK TV Play.
A second chance to catch the latest from yesterday's new and exclusive series now, as Gary Wallace calls time on a pub's outdated interiors and masterminds a nifty makeover from his restoration workshop.